Surprise, we're at Starbucks.
Starbucks, man.
All right, I'm ready.
What can I get started for you?
Yeah, can I get a venti mocha frappuccino?
Simple.
Okay, anything else?
Well, we have 2 more drinks. 1 second.
White chocolate frappuccino.
What size?
Can I get a white chocolate frappuccino venti?
Another. Simple.
Okay, so venti mocha and a venti white chocolate. Anything else?
Yeah.
One second.
All right, so this is gonna be a little crazy, but I need a venti iced tea green iced tea with no sweetener, no water, 1 pump of peppermint syrup, and then if you guys have a cool lime refresher, can you put that in the place of the water?
We actually discontinued Cool Lime like 2 years ago.
Damn, really?
Yeah, did you want anything else in there? We have regular hibiscus, strawberry, and mango dragon fruit.
What was
Or
the
extra lemonade.
What was the first one that you said?
I have strawberry, mango dragon fruit, and berry hibiscus.
Let me get the very berry hibiscus.
It's very good. That would
Okay, you
yourself.
still want the purple peppermint?
Yeah. And then can you add just a splash of the passion tango tea?
Okay, 1 second.
Just a splash.
Just a splash.
And can you put some toilet water? It gives it some like spark. It gives them some taste.
Can you put some LaCroix in this shit?
Sorry?
Excuse me?
What's that?
Venti size?
Yes.
Okay, anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
Alright, can I get a name for your order?
Mike.
One more time?
Mike?
Mike?
Yeah.
Alright, Mike, go ahead and drive up. It's 1568. You'll see Angie at the window.
Who's Mike?
I don't fucking know. she asked us for a name for the order. I gave her a name.
Yo.
God damn it, Jack.
Alright guys, we're on our way to pick something up that's huge. Danny's really excited about it. This is all for his car today. How you feeling, Danny?
I mean, I'm getting brand new wheels. I never thought I would buy myself brand new wheels. And they're not brand new. So that feels good too.
Danny's out here copping some real wheels this year, guys, for the GTR, so, you know, it is what it is. It's gonna be wild. Angel?
That shit freaked me out. I was like, dude, this motherfucker's got a ladder coming out his back end, but intentional, I guess.
See if we can grab that real quick. Ooh, Danny's gonna kill us.
That motherfucker in the white van will kill us.
It's on some Final Destination shit. We're all gonna die by a ladder through the windshield, guys.
I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to record inside the store when we actually grab the wheels, but if we can, we will. If not, are we gonna show the wheels today?
We're gonna test fit one, Danny?
If you got time, yeah.
If we got time.
If we got time,
We got time.
you'll definitely see our reaction though.
Oh, definitely.
So maybe we'll sneak in like our phone and record that. That'd be kind of cool. Or fuck it, we just bring the camera. What the fuck are they gonna say, right?
Right?
We already bought the wheels.
We just picking them up.
For how much we spent? Danny spent? Shit.
Shout out to Toge Factory in Wheeling, Illinois for hooking it up with overnight shipping from Japan though.
Literally overnight shipping. That's crazy.
Not really.
Yeah, it was pretty much.
That's expensive. Custom.
I will catch you guys in a sec though.
Yeah, that's why.
can't see them in the recording. Right?
What do you mean? We're recording?
I recorded you when you.
Dude, it looks so crazy.
It looks really nice.
The minute he opened the box, I was like, oh, please be white, please be white, please be white, please be
Why
white.
wouldn't they be white though?
I don't know.
He said he looked at them.
Pikachu.
Save that part of the video for another day.
A lot of seats, a lot of, yeah. Welcome to my crib.
I was having the same thought. I'm like, what's up, MTV?
Damn, it's been a while since you said
Dude, and I lied, I forgot I owned it. You know, my mom like, damn, why is the garage always taken up? I'm like, fuck, you got a yellow car. Forget I said.
forever.
Yeah, look at you, babe. Yeah, I haven't seen it in like months.
Hey, you get a new hat.
Whoa!
Wait, when did you get a new hat?
We're not sponsored. No.
It would be nice.
When you spend a whole bunch of money with people, they tend to give you free shit. Where's like the Halo music when you need it? It's like not showing you till it's on the car.
You can't see it from this angle.
Oh. I'm gonna show the fuck out of it. Damn. Can't believe you went with red.
Red on red, that's very fucking bold.
Red on red. Very bold.
Hey, where's Ringo?
Yeah,
Around
right
it?
there. Yeah. Oh, bro, it has a scratch. I like the valve stems.
Silver?
Yeah. Right here.
Hey, check out this Dose Time, bro. Check it out.
Check out the valve stem. Show them the valve stem.
Is it gonna be a middle finger?
No.
Yeah.
should I, like that? Like line it up, like going across
So
like that?
when this goes on the car, though.
It's gonna go on here, right?
Hey, why is there only 4 holes for lugs?
So the sticker's gonna go here, right?
Yeah, sticker will go there, so that will be your top. So like that.
Why crooked?
Oh, bro, that fits fucking beautiful.
Oh, man, dude. Holy shit.
Come down on this angle and look at how like perfect the focus is.
Ooh, that's nice. That's your fibber right there.
So a lot of people were telling me that this is a R34 spec, so it's 18 by 9.5 plus 22. So a lot of people told me that's pretty much the best thing to do. I'm not really not trying to roll the fenders, but if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. But I'm gonna try to avoid to rolling the fenders. But Jesus, Jesus.
Yo, I still haven't really gotten a look at them. Yeah, we gotta get the dogs out the way, then we'll show you guys.
No, those are the bottom ones.
Alright, so we just put the wheels away. Danny's about to get tires.
About to get tires right now, and a lot of other parts coming in the mail. A lot. Tax season's wild.
When you have a $250,000 business, you know, tax season's wild, right, Danny?
What?
Nah, just kidding, guys. Yeah, we got a ton of videos coming up. Expect at least 3 videos a week in spring, hopefully. Hopefully, at least. Me and Jeff got crazy shit going on.
A lot of crazy shit going on.
Did you get the phone call yet, Jeff?
Not the phone call yet.
Soon, though. Soon, guys.
A lot of install videos soon, for sure. A lot.
Yeah.
Anything else, guys? We'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Hope this video was long enough. Still no end tag yet, unless Jeff came up with something. Nah, nothing yet, guys. We will catch you on the next one, though. Peace out.